Can a deep squat reset your back? When it comes to back pain and spinal health, the solutions often seem complex. Physical therapy, medications, even surgery. But what if something as simple as a deep squat could help reset your back? While it might sound too good to be true, deep squatting is gaining attention in the fitness and physical therapy communities for its potential benefits to the spine and overall posture. The deep squat, where you lower your hips below your knees with your heels flat on the floor, is a natural human position. It's how children sit before they're taught otherwise, and it's still used regularly in many parts of the world. This position allows the spine to decompress naturally, encourages pelvic alignment, and stretches key muscles like the lower back, glutes, hips, and calves. One of the most promising aspects of the deep squat is its ability to mobilize the hips and pelvis. Limited hip mobility is a major cause of lower back strain. When the hips can't rotate or move properly, the lower back is forced to compensate, often leading to pain or injury. Deep squatting helps restore natural range of motion in the hips, which can relieve the spine from bearing unnecessary stress. Additionally, deep squatting engages the core muscles, which support the spine. Strong core muscles help maintain good posture and reduce the risk of spinal misalignment. Performing controlled squats not only strengthens these muscles, but also improves the neuromuscular coordination between your brain and spine, potentially improving how your body moves and balances. Spinal decompression is another benefit. When you sit or stand for extended periods, gravity compresses your spinal discs. A deep squat encourages elongation of the spine, opening up space between the vertebrae and reducing pressure. This can promote better circulation to the discs and reduce tightness in the lower back. Of course, not everyone can jump into a full deep squat immediately, especially if they're dealing with pain or stiffness. Beginners may need to modify the movement by holding onto a stable surface or using a small wedge under the heels. Over time, the goal is to improve mobility and comfort in the position. It's crucial to listen to your body and progress gradually to avoid straining your knees or lower back. It's also worth noting that while deep squats can be incredibly beneficial, they aren't a magic cure. Back issues can stem from a variety of causes: muscular imbalances, herniated discs, postural problems, and one movement alone won't address every underlying condition. However, when incorporated into a balanced routine, the deep squat can be a powerful tool to support spinal health. In summary, yes, a deep squat can help reset your back by restoring alignment, releasing tight muscles, engaging the core, and decompressing the spine. Like any tool, it works best when used mindfully and consistently, as part of a broader strategy for back care and physical wellness.